In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a simple data entry job that you can do at home. As you can see, this website is called guru.com, and here you can apply for a job without any skills. So you can go to sign up over here or log in if you already have an account, and then enter in your name and email and then sign up. Then you want to select that you are a freelancer, then hit proceed like this, and then you have to hit the questions. I'm going to do this right now. Then you want to hit continue when you entered all the details. Now you have to select your phone number or hit skip for now over here. Then here will be all the details. You can select a profile picture, then hit continue, but you have to select an address first. Then hit continue when you entered in all the details, just like this. Then you have to enter in some information. So I'm going to do that right now. Then when you enter in all the details, hit publish now. And as you can see, now I made a service of myself. Then you can go to find work, and here will be a lot of work types that you can do. So everyone who is here, you can see the location, United States, India, Uruguay. So if you live in United States and you want to work here, you can just send him a message, and then if they agree, you can work for them from home. So this is basically how you can do freelance jobs, data entry jobs from home. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.